The best 16 breakfast recipes that can help you lose weight. The breakfast is the most important meal of the entire day. Having proper breakfast is essential for protecting our health as well as losing weight. So, today we have 16 ideas for morning meals that are rich in nutrients, proteins, and fibers which can improve your overall health and help you lose weight. So, keep reading and find out more. 1. Veggies with roasted egg. This meal is a perfect way to start your day. Just add egg in the veggies and roast them. Get the recipe here. 2. Cantaloupe and yogurt. Greek yogurt is an extremely healthy food that is a great source of proteins. Mix the fruit and yogurt and make sure to avoid oats and granolas here. Instead, try to mix it with berries. Get the recipe here. 3. Overnight oat. This will help you with bloated belly. Get the recipe here. 4. Banana, almond, strawberry, and yogurt. Put the ingredients in a blender and make a smoothie. This smoothie contains 350 calories and 15 g protein. Get the recipe here. 5. Low-carb hot cake. You should use almond meal and flax seed, but not sugar. This will supply your body with the needed fiber and protein. Get the recipe here. 6. Apple cinnamon quinoa. Add yogurt in it too for better digestion, also cinnamon, raisins, almonds, and apples. No gluten here, just fibers and protein. Get the recipe here. 7. Avocado egg bake. It is low in sugar and rich in fibers, proteins, and omega-3. Get the recipe here. 8. Chia gingerbread mash. This is excellent for losing weight and stopping cravings. The chia mash pudding is an incredibly healthy meal. Get the recipe here. 9. Fruit and cottage cheese. Get 4 ounces cottage cheese for the 14 g protein and get the 81 calories of it. Add berries and fruits as well. 10. Salmon and asparagus. This health bomb has more than 10 g protein. Moreover, it is low in calories. Get the recipe here. 11. Egg white frittata. Made of spinach, onion, whites, feta, and peppers, this breakfast is very tasty and low in calories. Get the recipe here. 12. Thyme, garlic, quinoa, and egg. You should bake this at night, so it would be prepared for the following day. This will supply your body with calcium and energy. Get the recipe here. 13. Tofu scramble, Southwest version. It is very easy and simple to prepare, and it can be kept in the refrigerator for a few days in a row. Mix of cilantro, onion, cumin, peppers, and coriander. Get the recipe here. 14. Avocado and hard-boiled egg. A great source of fiber and proteins for satiety, and gluten-free. Get the recipe here. 15. Coconut and berry. A bar of 20% recommended daily fiber doses, iron, and 200 calories. Get the recipe here. 16. Paleo bowl. You will need only 10 minutes to prepare this. It will keep you energized and full throughout the entire day. It is abundant with proteins and omega-3. It has just 335 calories and almost no carbs. Get the recipe.